on-the-ground reporting about how Britons are celebrating this news. We'll get right to that. The caption is, history has been made in history that could be rolled out right across the country. Patrick Christie's reports from outside the Bell Hotel in Epping, where migrants will be evicted within 2 weeks after a high court ruling earlier today. Takes us to the video.
At Apartments.com, we go above and beyond to make renting easier on every single level. At the neighborhood level, unit level, down to the cellular level. Hey,
wake up. It's time for McDonald's breakfast. Set your alarm.
Violence, that invoking a specific person is really appropriate and true. And doesn't that have the risk for provoking the craziest people in your audience to think that maybe it would be a good idea to kill my wife? Right? Like, what are we talking about?
Now in this next part we're going to look at, he talks about the actual service that Gila Klein provided in the IDF. She was a secretary, but many of the unhinged psychopaths in Hassan's orbit have been making outrageous claims.